Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to restore your default icons on your Windows device without the need for any third-party applications or software. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and it will apply to anybody who's experiencing icons that they really shouldn't be. So if you're experiencing a lot of recycling bin icons for some reason, or notepad file icons when you're not supposed to be, so if you try to open a Word and you see there's like a notepad icon, this tutorial will show you guys how to restore that back to its default state. So pretty straightforward tutorial I have in store for you guys today. And we're going to start by right clicking on the start button, and then you want to left click on run from this menu. In the run dialog window, you want to type in %, user, USER, profile, PROFILE, all one word, so user profile with a % in front. And then you want to do another %, and then you want to do \app data, another \, and then you want to type local, and then you want to hit enter. So now what you want to do is head back to the start button while keeping this window open, left click on it, and then type folder options. Should be an option that says File Explorer Options. You want to left click on it. So underneath File Explorer Options, you want to go underneath the View tab in the middle, and then underneath where it says Hidden Files and Folders, left click on where it says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drivers. Then click on Apply and OK. So you should see something at the bottom of your list. If you have to scroll down, you might have to, depending on how much is in here. But there should be something that says Icon Cache. You want to right click on it and then click on delete, or you could click delete on your keyboard, and that should reset all of your default icons back to their original state. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.